got the Super Bowl coming up, which is always a good time. I used to work in advertising, so I really love the ads, and I appreciate the competitive football as well. I also love the food associated with football games, and especially the Super Bowl. I always think of avocados, Mexican food, and buffalo chicken. So today we're making a buffalo chicken salad with gorgonzola crumbles and a gorgonzola dressing. We've got celery in the salad, we've got pico de gallo for that Mexican hint, we've got avocado, tortilla strips, bacon. It's gonna be so amazing. Let's go. All right, I'm about to dig into this delicious game day salad. It's got all your Mexican favorites, avocado, pico de gallo, tortilla strips, but it also has that buffalo chicken and gorgonzola cheese, which we love when it comes to watching football and hanging out. So here goes. So it's all chopped up with a nice creamy dressing. I know most people are like, game day, that is the one day not to ever eat a salad. This is so good, I promise you. Everyone will love it. It's got everything you need. Oh, and did I remind you that there's bacon in it? Oh my gosh, it is so good. Definitely a salad that men and women alike would enjoy.